I'm here in Russia to check out the motorsport Gokart center here. It's called Sky Karting. The moment we came up here was quite creepy. We were afraid. And finally we went to the 18th floor and we opened the door and it was this. This is the track that I saw in the pictures, and it is open. It is like 11:30 p.m.
Although it's so late, but it's still open, so we just had to go and try out this go-kart track. Because I didn't bring my GoPro sticky mount along, the marshal told us that we couldn't do any footages. So I told him that I'm going to be doing a YouTube video. So he was willing to take some videos for us so I could show them how nice this track is. This track has two floors, so the sky roof floor and the one below it, and it's connected through the parking ramps. So if you're in Moscow and you want to try a go-kart at night, in the middle of the night, you can go to this one called the Sky Karting.